What is unprocessed and raw data or information? Which represents processed data, information, or wisdom? What comes after information in the D-I-K-W hierarchy, knowledge or data? What do we leave behind when using digital services, data footprints or wisdom? What is the process of getting back lost data called data loss or data recovery? What is critical for making informed decisions, data or wisdom? What can lead to the unintentional deletion or corruption of data, data footprints or data loss? Which is a consequence of using the internet and digital devices, data recovery or data footprints? In the DICOV hierarchy, which is the initial stage, data or wisdom? Which is derived from analyzing and organizing data, knowledge or data?